I'd like to talk to you today about how IoT analytics and operational intelligence can help you better manage complex retail operations. Competing in today's environment is really challenging when you think about the omni-channel retail world that we live in. Consumers have a lot of capability at their fingertips that didn't used to exist. They have web pages, they have mobile apps especially, that allow them to not only do online shopping, but a variety of research, and in a lot of cases even order ahead and expect to pick up a good or enjoy the benefits of a service in a store when they arrive. And while they're in the store too, they're able to use apps and other tools to enhance their shopping experience, scanning prices. They can do comparison shopping whether you like it or not while they're in the store, and you may have other utilities that maybe help with customer service, etc. But bringing it all together is really challenging. And how do you satisfy every customer every time with this heightened level of expectations that come with all this technology and access given to consumers, and operating at scale in large, complex retail environments? Well, at Virtuia, our opinion is you really need to think about running your business with the benefit of a command center. And here's an illustrative example of one that might be used by a quick serve restaurant where you want to have at your fingertips a simple view, real time, of what's going on in your business. In this case, I'm looking at 5 different pillars of my operations that are all very important in terms of achieving that goal of satisfying every customer every time. First of all, are the stores up and running? In an aggregate, how are they doing? Can consumers place orders that could be in the store or more and more with a mobile app that they're actually allowed to place an order for a good or service on? In the case of a quick serve restaurant, can I actually construct and serve people, build their order once they've placed it? And then we got a couple of pillars which are around kind of the actors in the business. Number one, the associates, the folks that are in front of customers serving them and doing their job. And then finally the customers themselves who may or may not be happy with what's going on. Well, now if we click on North America, in this case we've got some issues. I see some orange shading. Serving seems to have some issues. People are having trouble making the orders, it looks like. And in a related assessment, the associates themselves are struggling. This is probably indicative of a problem with the equipment in stores. And it looks like probably a number of stores, given the percentage of stores that are being affected by these issues. If I want to drill in and better understand what's going on with serving, how do I see what's happening? So what's happening here is we have a case where the machines themselves are sending off telemetry data as IoT devices connected to the network. The analytics platform is quickly looking at what's going on with the machines and correlating that with explicit information coming from trouble tickets, etc., in the help center, where associates may be calling in to say that they're experiencing a problem as well. And I quickly am able to see the number of stores that are experiencing some sort of service degradation in North America and their ability to fulfill orders for customers, where I might actually have an outage of service, and in some cases a complete outage, which is generally going to be caused by a store-level failure of some kind. And the visual down at the bottom allows me to kind of see geospatially where these things are occurring, etc. So, quick illustrative example, but in our experience, being able to leverage IoT technologies to sense real-time what's going on with the equipment in your stores, with consumers, where they are, what they're doing, leveraging the data from mobile app, or even sensors in stores that can see what's going on through video analytics or iBeacons, can all become very important for management to help focus their attention on the most needed parts of the business to ultimately help get better business outcomes faster in retail.